Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term Absolutism in art. Introduction. Absolutism in the context of art refers to the principle or doctrine asserting that immutable standards exist by which works of art can be objectively judged. This perspective holds that certain criteria for evaluating art are constant, transcending individual opinions, cultural contexts, and historical periods. Characteristics of absolutist views. Proponents of absolutism believe in fundamental and unchanging values in the assessment of art. These values are considered basic and inviolable, meaning they cannot be compromised or altered by subjective perceptions. Absolutists argue that these standards are universal, providing a definitive framework for determining the quality and significance of artistic works. Contrast with relativism. Absolutism stands in contrast to relativism, which is often discussed in relation to the absolutist view. While absolutism upholds fixed criteria for judging art, relativism suggests that the value and interpretation of art are dependent on individual perspectives and cultural contexts. This dichotomy highlights a fundamental philosophical debate about the nature of art and its appreciation, questioning whether beauty and value are inherent qualities of an artwork or constructed by viewers. So this was the discussion about the term absolutism in art. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.